guys, so now you can play games with your Mi Band 7, use it as a full-fledged calculator, read ebooks and do much more. Welcome to the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Hacks 2.0. I don't generally say this, but if you don't watch this video to the end of it, you may end up just breaking your Mi Band 7 like I did following this process. So stick around. Also, this Mi Band 7 and 2 other smart wearables will be up for a giveaway. So if you want to enter the giveaway, subscribe to Tech ID, and the other rules of the giveaway are written in the description. So guys, to access all of these features, you basically have to install a few watch faces. The watch faces will obviously be linked in the description. I found all of these watch faces after browsing a Chinese website for hours, but don't you worry, you don't have to do that. I'll just upload everything inside this Google Drive folder. Also, in this folder, I'll try to add other games and apps for your Mi Band 7 in future as well. So you may just bookmark this folder or share it with your friend to keep track of it. So to get started, let's download a watch face first. We'll download the Dinosaur game from the Drive folder. Remember the name, dinosaur.bin. So in the first method, you'll need an app called Mi Band 7. The app will obviously be linked in the description. Once installed, open the app and tap on the 3-bar button below. Now tap on Install your own watch face option. Now under the Add Watch Face option, tap on choose.bin file. And now carefully select the downloaded dinosaur.bin file which you just downloaded from my Google Drive. Now you will have to add an image, and that will be the thumbnail of your watch face. To identify easily later, you can just Google dinosaur and take a screenshot of that and set that image as the thumbnail of your watch face. Once done, tap on Add Watch Face option. Now you have 3 options. The third option is still in beta, so will probably give you an error. So choose the first option if you have the Zepp Life application, and the second option if you're using the Mi Fitness app. I am selecting the Zepp Life application, and after the process is finished, open Zepp Life and go to Store option. Under the Manager option, you will find the newly installed watch faces. Once found, just sync it and done. Now tap on the Step button and play Dinosaur game on your Mi Smart Band 7. Now, even after doing everything correctly, if you don't find the new watch face in the manager option, don't you worry, because now we'll perform the watch face replacement method, and this method should work every single time. In this method, to get started, you will need to have at least one watch face installed. We already have a few installed, so we'll just proceed. Now download your desired game from the Drive folder or use the last one. This time we want to install the calculator. Now open your File Explorer and open folder Android and then Data. If you see this folder blank, you may have to just use another file explorer. You may just use the one I am currently using, which is called CX File Explorer, and it will also be linked in the description. So with this file explorer, if you try to open the data folder, you'll be asked to grant a permission. Tap OK and then tap on Use this folder. Allow it, and now you have access to this folder. Now scroll all the way down to com.xiaomi.hm.health. Open the folder and tap on Files. Then tap on WatchGain Local. And in this folder, we'll see a lot of folders containing 3 files each. These are basically all your installed watch faces. Now we will make a copy of any of these folders. Let's select the first one and make a copy. Now if you enter the copy folder, we'll see 3 files. The PNG file that works as the thumbnail, the .bin file that works as the watch face, and the XML file that contains the name. Now all you have to do is delete the existing .bin file inside the copy folder and paste our downloaded .bin file from the drive. And that's pretty much it. Now open the Zepp Life application, and in the manager option, you will see 2 identical watch faces. Now this may become confusing in the long run. So now we'll go to the copy folder again and edit the name in the XML file. Please watch carefully and only edit the name which is inside the quotation. Don't change anything else. Now if we come back to the manager, we'll see the name is changed. Now we can just tap on it and sync it, and we have the calculator app up and running. And guys, this method should probably work 100% of the time, so my personal recommendation is to try this method actually. But guys, I have uploaded a game called 2048. And in course of installing this game, I almost bricked my Mi Band 7. After installing this watch face, I tried to play that game even though I don't know how to play that. But in course of trying to open that, my Mi Band 7 became a mess of green, black, broken screen, which I can't really explain. And if you see something like this in a Mi Band 7, in that period, the band will become absolutely irresponsive. It will just not do anything no matter how much you try. So if you don't know how to play this 2048 game, I don't recommend installing this bin file. But if you somehow brick your Mi Band 7 just like mine, the first thing you would have to do is start crying. And once you're done with that, open the Zepp Life application, tap on Xiaomi Smart Band 7, and then tap on Find Band a few times. Your band should vibrate in this period and should come back to life after a few tries. At least it worked for me. If this method doesn't work, try to drain down the battery of your Mi Band 7, and charging it may also help. So guys, with your Mi Band 7, if you land into any of these troubles or any other issue, feel free to knock me on Instagram. I am always there to help you guys. Now, before we end this video, here are the other games and applications that you can use for your Mi Band 7. And most importantly guys, the giveaway is ending very soon. So guys, if you want to win this Mi Band 7 or the other two smart wearables, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, which is Tech Guide, like this video, and leave a comment what you want to win. And as always, thanks a lot for watching. Asha kori abaro dekha hobe.